This is your heater control panel. This is your power button. This is your standby screen. This is just telling you what's going on inside the caravan. It's telling you your heater's on, you're plugged into mains, and this is the temperature inside the caravan. Press menu to get to your menu. You can set your temperature inside the caravan with these buttons. It goes up and down by 0.5 degrees. It goes all the way to 30 and down to 5 degrees. So because it is 25 degrees inside the caravan, anything below that, the heater will not cut on. But if I go above 25, the heater will turn on. This is your hot water. When the triangle is empty, that means it is off. When it's halfway filled, that means it's on. And the third one, when it's all the way full, that is a boost function for the water. That will give priority to heating up the water and cut off the heater. This is how you run your heater on mains power. You've got off, 1 kilowatt, 2 kilowatt, and 3 kilowatt. We always recommend 2 kilowatts. The flame here is for when you want to run your heater on gas. So turn this off and turn your gas on. Now the heater's running on gas. You can also do a mixture of both of them. When you turn your power off in your caravan and turn it back on, whatever temperature you previously had it set on will be there.